back hurts.
I'm Robert now. I even can. It's even painful to put this empty back.
You need massage. Hi.
Now,
What happened to your back?
now I'm your old man. Sugar baby.
Sugar. Dimitri is sick. Hi guys. Hi baby. It's morning here in the Philippines, and I want to do a vlog today, just to show our day today. It's Sunday here, and Dimitri is sick. His back hurts. Too much weightlifting at the gym. Yeah.
Oh, it's just not that much. I just move some around.
Yeah, and Yujik is busy running everywhere. It's still morning here. We just woke up. We woke up 1 hour ago or 2 hours ago. And it's so sunny today. It's a beautiful day here because the last few days it's been always gloomy and rainy here in the Philippines, in our place. And my friend is coming over today. We're gonna go to the farmers market, to the plaza, because there's gonna be a lot of stores there. You wanna go to the plaza? And we're gonna go to the river today. My friend Marilyn and her son Zaki will visit us today.
When they will go to Plaza?
Later when they arrive. I don't know what time they're gonna come.
No, to Plaza.
To plaza? What
They
time?
will go to Plaza?
We will go together later. So Dimitri is working today. It's gonna be his second day of webinar for his online course today. So he's going to be very busy. What do you want to eat? We don't have eggs. We ran out of eggs. But we have a bunch of bananas. Green bananas. Yeah, green bananas. We like this banana. It's yummy. So now I have to bring this up because Dimitri's back hurt.
Yeah, I just throw it here.
How many kilograms is this?
20, I don't know.
I can lift this up.
Straight your back.
Wow, it's like at the gym. Cecil. Piece of cake. It's piece of cake.
Wow!
Wow, Mama's so strong.
You also want to bring it up.
Wow, baby's so strong. Yay. Wow. Wow, so strong. Wow. So strong. Alright guys, let's go to the market. I'm gonna buy some eggs and vegetables and some other stuffs. You stay here with baby. Where is my market bag? Grocery bag. Let's go. Paka.
National ID. Nahimutang sila din sa entrance sa babang bahin.
Duhate. Pila ang duha?
100 man.
Dara.
Asa mo? Ato man to sa okay? Ha?
So heavy. Whew, it's very hot there.
Что эти?
Broccoli.
Еще не готово, не готово.
This one's good. This one is gato. Very sweet pineapple. I have some. You know what? Something.
Кук. Хочешь? Да? Ой.
Baby, you want corn? Wait, I will cut it. Baby, yummy corn? Thank you, thank you. Yummy corn? Corn, not broccoli. It's sweet corn. Sweet corn. Yummy sweet corn. Wow, so yummy. Mama will cook broccoli. You want broccoli? Yummy.
Pizza? It's my face, it's not because it's not delicious.
Here to pick up my friend and Zaki. Ay, luya, oy! Luya, nahihilak na gina siya. Yuhaw siya? Gari na akong motor, oy. Pupalit sa ako diri 7-Eleven, bi. Painom. Magalo, oy. Wala po ka na, mahaw? Nabisi kong tuyok-tuyok dito. Lunch time. Lunch and breakfast. It's called brunch. We're having brunch here. And I made my friend this coffee. Try it. Iced coffee. And the babies are playing here.
Malilipayan your face.
Jason,
Jason.
we're eating here
And full name.
chicken and rice with
How old
tomatoes,
are you now?
onions.
You're in.
Gibuyan. Give it to Zaki. It's Zaki's milk. Mungaway siya. Hadlok siya, may lugad siya ang milk. Sleep na ta, baby. Your chick, time to sleep. Take a nap. We're going to the river with Yuri, Zaki, and Marilyn. The river is... Day! Paghinay, dira, day! Pag, mas ikaw pa na-slide kayo sa mga bata. Your chick, wait for mama. The river is somewhere there down. You're gonna swim. Ay! Up you go! Stand up. You okay? Are you alright? Uy, it's okay. Go, mama, hold you. Mama will hold you. Wait for mama, okay? Don't run, baby. Just slowly. May pa Zaki kaya wala na slide. Chada ni ay kay dili na. Where is the moo? Where's the cow? Moo. Hold mama's hand. Bye-bye, moo. Say bye-bye, moo. Bye-bye, cow. Moo. Dini man di ako nasulo bulay angay nga sandal, uy. Ako nasulo bulay angay nga sandal. Sandal nga bulay angay pang lakaw og ingon ani. Because na ay koan kabaw Carabao. Slowly. Oops. 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 Wow. Go follow Zaki. Follow Zaki. Where's Zaki? Look, baby, what's that? What is that? Look. What's that? Moo. Also moo. Carabao. That is a Carabao. Bye bye, Carabao. See you later. Wow. You like it here?
Swim.
Swim. Yeah, we're going to swim.
Swim.
Yeah, swim. How did you know we're going to swim? Nakainumdum na gud si Yuri dire. Makainumdum siya pag manhime dire swim ko no. Kabalo na siya nga sapa din hiya. Okay, go up. Mama help you up. You go up. Wait. Okay, let's go. Slowly. Slowly. We're going now. We're going down to the river now. And so beautiful here. We're in the jungle right now. Your chick. Do you like it here? Baby, where are you? Where are we going again? Where are we going? Are we going to swim?
Yeah, we got down.
Down, more down. Your chick already remember this place. Yay, we arrived. Oy, careful. Yari na siguro sila. Oy, kay kuan. Kusog. Grabe, limatok din.
Wala na, nanghalas diya.
We bought sandals and shoes for the baby. Your chick like his new shoes. Zaki, run. Your chick, let's go to the slide, baby. Let's go to the slide. Go, slide. Let's go. Go. Wow! Uy! Kuya Juan. Watch out! Woo! Go! Careful, careful. This way, this way. This way. Your chick, watch out. Uy, gisira. No, don't close it. Let's go. Gisira. Cute yan yung bata na eh. Bye. Bye-bye, Zaki. Say bye-bye, Zaki. Bye-bye. Your chick. Zaki is going home. Look, Zaki is going home.
Wow.
He doesn't care. Your chick. Look, Zaki is going home. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Amping.
Thank you.
Look, he doesn't care. Look, Zaki is going home. Bye-bye, Zaki.
Somebody bring them.
Papa. Look. He ran to his papa. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Just say bye.
Daddy.
Bye, Zaki.
Bye.
Bye, Zaki.
Bye.
See you. Miss you. Alright, that's it. That's all our video. That's all our vlog for today. See you guys. Good night. Bye-bye. It's already night here. Bye-bye, guys. See you on the next one.